Hey Joy Fam! So Dayo and I are at Pottery Barn, or we're headed to Pottery Barn, and we want to see what we can find. So come along with us. We're also going to be showing you whatever goodies we find, and hopefully you can get some inspiration too. And be sure to watch this video to the end. I am going to tell you a little hack on how you can get significant discounts. If you like to shop at stores like Pottery Barn, West Elm, Rejuvenate, Sonoma, I'm not sure if you guys know that that's actually all one company. I do have a hack for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned and come shopping with us, guys. We're just getting here.
ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Alright guys, so we are done shopping and we had brunch, and now we're gonna go ahead and head back. Alright, so let's get into the hack that I was telling you about earlier that I was gonna share with you. So if you like to shop Pottery Barn, West Elm, Rejuvenate, Sonoma Home, there's also one more brand. So they're actually all within the same brand family. So they have a program called Business to Business. So if you own a business, it doesn't matter if it's a big business, a small business, as long as it is a registered business, you can actually get signed up in the store for their program. It's a discount program called Business to Business. So it allows you to save money on any full priced items that you're buying. You will get 20% off of whatever the price is of that item. All you have to do is show your business to business card. Now, this is not a credit card. It's just, think of it as a discount program. So any full price item you buy, you'll get 20% off. And if the item is already on sale, you'll get an additional anywhere from 5 to 10% off. If you're watching this video, then obviously you know the quality of the furniture and just how pretty a lot of those things look in there. And so that will save you loads and loads of money. For example, the bar stools that are in our kitchen, I think for the one that I got, the full price is $359, but I got them at $250 something, somewhere around there a piece. So that just kind of gives you an idea of the level of savings that you can get with the program.
That's how much we still spent. Because I'm saving, I call them spending. How do you want to look at it?
All right, guys, if you guys know of any other hacks of some of these stores that are just really awesome, please let me know. I'm always looking to learn something new. Hope you enjoyed shopping with us today. Until next time, guys. Enjoy, fam.